Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and technologies. Today, we're diving into the world of home security with what many are calling the best surveillance camera system on the market, the REOLINK 4K security camera system. If you're serious about protecting your home or business, you won't want to miss this. Let's kick things off by highlighting why the REOLINK 4K security camera system stands out from the crowd. With its cutting-edge technology and unparalleled features, this system offers peace of mind like never before. Whether you're concerned about intruders, want to keep an eye on your property, or simply value the ability to monitor your surroundings, REOLINK has you covered. What sets this system apart is its impressive 4K Ultra HD resolution, delivering crystal-clear footage that captures every detail, day or night. Thanks to its advanced H.265 compression and night vision capabilities, you can rest assured knowing that even in low-light conditions, your property is under constant surveillance. One of the standout features of the REOLINK system is its plug-and-play setup, making it perfect for both beginners and DIY enthusiasts. With just a single network cable, you can enjoy seamless coverage of your entire property without the hassle of complex installation processes. Plus, with remote access via the free REOLINK app, you can monitor your cameras from anywhere, anytime. But what truly sets this system apart is its smart detection technology, which goes beyond traditional motion detection to filter out unwanted alerts and focus on what matters most: people and vehicles. Say goodbye to false alarms triggered by passing animals or swaying trees, and hello to instant notifications when real threats are detected. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a surveillance camera system that offers unparalleled clarity, reliability, and ease of use, look no further than the REOLINK 4K security camera system. With its advanced features and competitive price point, it's clear why this system has earned its reputation as the best in the business. That wraps up today's review of the REOLINK 4K security camera system. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and secure.